for time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1992 Chevrolet Silverado, 1500 4x4 regular cab long box. Now, like I said, Silverado. So you have the Silverado package, you know, a little nicer equipment, a little more options on this one. You can check out the window sticker. There's a picture of that in with our still pictures, and I'll tell you where to find that in just a little bit. A little over 53,000 original miles in this truck. I'll let you get a good close look at the front grille here, bumper. Take a look at the bright work up here. Looks good. One of the reasons this truck does look so nice, and I'll show you around the cab corners and wheel wells here in a bit. This is originally a truck that was delivered to Jasper, Georgia, where it spent the majority of its life, so it is not seen in climate weather. Which means, take a look at the still pictures. Look at the underside of this. Has not had any wintry weather it's had to deal with. Check out the engine bay. Check out the pictures of the sides. We can see the wheel wells, cab corners, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. In with those still pictures, you're going to see a picture of the RPO codes, you know, all the options on this truck. You're going to see a picture of the window sticker in with those other still pictures. Now, as far as the paint, does show its age a little bit. You got some spots, if I can get them to show up. There and there, a couple little ones where you can see that the previous owner has touched it up. I mean, it's well taken care of, so they have cared for it. There might be a little small ding or a little, you know, touch up from rock chips, but overall, very nice shape. You got to remember, this truck's practically 30 years old now. Now, let's look around these wheel wells. By the way, it's riding on aluminum wheels. Should have been a upgraded option, 92, and the tires are like brand new, FYI, as you can see there. This is a protective coating that would have came from General Motors, and this truck was new. So take a look down along those lower door edges. Come back here, check out this cab corner. Again, it's that protective coating would have came from GM. How many times do you see those rusted out, especially in the area where we are from? This truck, no, came out of Georgia. Hasn't had to put up with Minnesota winters. Again, protective coating still back here too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You get a look at the rear of the truck. Like, here's a little spot, just a real small little dent there. I mean, there's a few little dings, touch up spots with paint, so just want to make you aware of that. And again, consult with your sales associate. Be happy to walk around the truck with you. Also, take a look at the still pictures, probably 100 of them or so of this truck online. And once again, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Does have an all-star composite or plastic bed liner to it. Now this truck is red crimson, so still the factory color it would have came, and a garnet custom cloth bench seat truck. You're going to see that here in a second. Original interior in it. Has had an aftermarket stereo added, which you see in a lot of these. Kind of notorious for their head units not being the most reliable. And like I said, those alloy wheels would have been an available option back then. You would have got the preferred equipment group with the Silverado. This also has the trailering equipment. None of that automatic with overdrive and 5.7 liter, I believe, were optional also. All right, now I want to try to show you this right off the get-go. There's the true color. Let me see. This interior has a nice red, like right there. Okay, there's a good idea. The true color of this interior. When I get too close to it, it's going to wash out. It's going to look like it's faded. That's not the case. It's tough to get this color to show up in the pictures and the videos and do it justice. So right there, that is a very authentic shot to what I'm seeing outside of the camera lens, as well as looking behind the camera lens on the screen. Now, I'll show you what I'm talking about. When I walk up on it like this, it's going to wash out. That is not the case. This does not look that light. These are not that light. Let me back away, give you an idea. That right there is how it looks. So don't want that to be misleading in any way. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. By the way, AC does blow cold. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise. I turned the AC off, by the way. It froze me out when I was in here before. All right, 53,405 exact miles. You can see that. All gauges working properly. Temp gauge right there. Obviously, we'll come up with engine temperature. There's the aftermarket stereo I was talking about, Pioneer. And look at the dash. Not sun-baked, not cracked. All looking good there. Four-wheel drive. Transfer lever. Now, I did notice got a little bit of sagging in the headliner, FYI. I'll point that out. Rear sliding cab window. Slip around to the back, no crazy exhaust, anything like that, no loud mufflers. Just sounds like a 92 5.7 liter. Alright, let's pause this. I want to show you underneath the hood too, because with it being in a southern state, you know that's going to be awful clean underneath there also. So hold on a second, let me get the hood popped and let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, look at that hood liner. How clean that still is. Until that hasn't spent any winters going down the road, no doubt about that. You have all kinds of salt stains and what have you up there. All right. And look at this engine bay. New alternator on it. Just in January 21. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. That's how smooth it runs. Good looking truck, nice tidy engine bay, nice smooth runner. Everything you'd expect out of a low mile 1992 Chevrolet Silverado. Half-ton regular cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, unique classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.